All right, 10-minute mitt work, pad work, and you can use this on the heavy bike. Following along with us today, 10 minutes of mitt work coming up. Quick heads up on what we're gonna be doing today. So minute one, we're gonna be working on the jab only, right? We're gonna work on the variety of the jab too. So doubling it up, tripling it up. We're working on head movement off the jab and footwork as well. So minute one, just drilling that jab technique. Minute two, we're gonna be working on just straight punches. So your ones and twos, keeping it nice and long, turning the hips. That'll be minute two. Different combinations each time. Minute three, we're gonna introduce the lead hook. So every combination is gonna finish on the lead hook. Minute four, we're going to work on defense first. We're going to be slipping to the power side, getting the head off the line, coming back with counter punches. Follow me for the counter punches. And then minute five, we're going to work on some cycles and flows. I'm going to call it as we go. The whole goal of this is 10 minutes straight boxing. You can follow it along if you're working with your coaches. You can put the AirPods in and hit the heavy bag and try and follow along as well. Really want you to try and get a great 10-minute boxing workout in. So that's the first half, the first 5 minutes. And then the second half, we're going to repeat the same pattern as well. So it's up on the screen. You can see it right there. Make sure you're warmed up before you try this. Make sure you're ready to go. You got a little sweat on, got the heart rate up, jump rope, your usual warm up that you do, and then you can start digging in. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys, so minute one, we're starting on the jab. Let's go. Jab. Good. Moving forward. Jab. Good. Make sure when you throw on your jab, you're exhaling, tightening that fist. Jab. Good. Double jab. Good. Double jab. Nice. Guys, try and keep your elbow in when you throw that double jab. Turn the wrist over. Double. Good. Go. Double. Good. One fast jab. Good. Moving around. Now we're going to go jab to the body. So we're going to slip off to the power side, land that jab to the body. Go. Good. Go. Good. Moving the feet. Go. Good. Back up with a jab to the head. Good. And again. Nice. This time we're going to go double jab and slip to the power side. Ready? Double jab, slip. There you go. Again. Good. One jab. Good. One jab. Good. Last few seconds on this jab. Jab. Good. Now the jab with power. Good. All right, guys, minute two, we're working on straight punches. I'm calling the combos. Stay on your toes, keep your hands up, breathing in between. Starting with the 1-2. Ready? Go. Nice. 1-2. Good. 1-2. Good. Moving around, breathing. Think about what you're going to do. 1-2, 1-2. Go. Good. Jab. 2. Good. 1-2. Nice. Moving forward. Staying on those toes. Back foot first going back, front foot first going forward. Move around if you're on the heavy bag. 1-2. Nice. Next one, we're going to go 1-2, jab, jab, 2 on my go. Go. Good. Go. Nice. Exhale with the punches. Nice and sharp. 1-2, jab, jab, 2. Go. Good. Go. Good. Back on the jab. Go. 2. Good. Next one, 1-2, 1-2 to finish it up. Good. All right, minute three, now we're going to bring in the lead hook. So for the lead hook, elbow's going to be up, turn the hips. We're going to set it up with a straight right, or your power side, so your cross hook. Southpaws, that's going to be left, cross, right hook, all right? Orthodox, straight right, left hook. Ready? Go. Nice. Turning the hips, nice long cross. Go. Perfect. Elbow up on that hook. Go. Nice. Finishing every combo with the hook. Now we're going to go 1-2 hook. Go. Nice. Good. 1-2 hook. That's it. Perfect. Breathe, breathe. Moving the feet, moving around. Catch your breath. 1-2 hook. Good. All right. Now we're going to go rear uppercut, left hook. Okay. So 2 punches again. Right uppercut, left hook. Go. That's it. On the go. Wait for it. Breathe. Go. Good. 10 more seconds on this. Go. Good. Back. Last one. Back to the 1-2 hook. Go. Nice, good. All right, minute four, we're going defense first. So for orthodox, you're defending the jab, slip into your power side or your right side. We're gonna come back with a straight right. Southpaws, you'll be slipping to your left, coming back with your left cross. So defense first. On my go, slip and counter. Ready? Go. Good. Nice long arm. Go. That's it. Go. Slip. Bam. Nice. Now we're gonna add 2 punches to that. So we're gonna slip first, come back with a right, left, right. Cross, hook, cross. Ready? On the go. Hands up. Go. Good. Make sure you're getting your head off that line when you slip. Go. Slip. Good. Slip. Nice. Now we're going to go back to 2 counters. So we're going to slip, right hand, left hook. 2 counters on my go. Last 20 seconds on this. Defense first. Ready? Go. Good. Go. Go. Nice. Move around. Breathe. Breathe. Back to 3 counters. Slip, cross, hook, cross. Go. Good. One more. Go. Nice. All right, little flow. We're going to start with a 1-2. We're going to roll, come back with a right, left, right. We're gonna build it up from there. So on my go, guys. 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2. Ready? Go. Nice. Go. After that 2, hook, 2, we're gonna add a jab, jab, 2. So your combo is gonna be 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2, jab, jab, 2. Ready? Go. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Try and match AD's speed on this one. Go. Breathing, breathing. After that jab, jab, 2, we're gonna slip back to the power side, just finishing on defense. Ready? 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2, jab, jab, 2, slip. Go. Nice. After that slip, we'll add the counter right, or the counter cross. Ready? 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2, jab, jab, 2, slip. Go. Bah! Nice. Breathe, breathe. All right, guys, so there's the first half done. We're 5 minutes in. Minute 1, we're going right back to the start. Back on your jab now. Chance to recover a little bit. Jab. Good. Move forward. Breathe. Stay on them toes. Jab. Good. Jab to the body. Jab to the body. Jab. Jab. Good. Breathe. All right, power jab. Turn the shoulders and hips a little bit more. Get those knuckles on it. Nice tight fist. Power jab. Go. Good. Go. Good. Now we're not going to worry about power at all. We're just going to flick out a fast jab. Just fast arm and shoulder. Go. Go. That's it. Go. Nice. Double jab. Double jab. Breathe, breathe. All right, guys, triple jab. Jab, jab, jab. I want you to think about stepping with each jab. 3 short steps, 3 quick jabs. Go. Good. Try and keep that elbow in, turn the wrists. Go. Good. And step, step, step. Go. Good. Jab to the body. Go. Jab to the head. Go. Good. All right. Minute 7. I'm going straight punches. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. If you're on the heavy bike, both punches landed in the same spot. Ready, turn the hips, go. Nice. Make sure you get that back shoulder right through with the cross. Hands come right back to the chin. Think about the non-punching hand. When you throw the jab, the back hand's up by the face. When you throw the cross, the lead hand's up by the face. Nice and long. Go. That's it. All right, now we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Perfect, good. Breathe, breathe, guys, breathe. Go. That's it. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna add a jab, jab, 2. So 4 straights, jab, jab, cross. Start off steady pace, ready? Follow this tempo. Go. Bam, 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 bam. Good, same tempo again. Ready, go. Good, breathe, move around a little bit. Last one before the bell, same combo with speed. Go. Nice, breathe, breathe. All right, next minute we're finishing on that hook. We're gonna start with just the lead hook. I want you to dip your right shoulder a little bit, or your back shoulder. Just twist back with that lead hook, right? On the go. Go. Nice. Go. That's it. Go. Good. Now we're going to set it up with the cross like we did at the start. So straight right, or south pose will be straight left. Come back with that lead hook. Cross hook on my go. Go. Move around. Move around your bag. Move around the ring, wherever you're at. Go. Good. If you're shadow boxing, turn those hips. Exhale with the punches. Go. Good. Last 20 seconds, we're just going to stick to the 1, 2 hook. Go. Nice. Move forward. Move back. Circle. 1, 2 hook. Go. Good. Nice and long with your 1, 2. Elbow up on the hook. Turn the hips. Your abs should be tight. Exhale with your punches. Last one. Ready? Go. Good. Keep the hands up. Breathe. All right. Now we're on defense first. So we're going to go slip, slip. Slip to your power side. Slip to your lead side. So we've slipped the 1, 2. We're countering with the lead hook and the cross. Slip, slip, and then 2 counter punches. Ready? Go. Good. Nice and steady on these first few. Go. Slip, slip, bam, bam. Good. Breathe in. Go. 1, 1, 1, 1. Good. Go. 1, 1, 1. One more. Ready? Go. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we want speed and intensity. Quick on the slips. Make sure you get your head off the line. Ready? Go. Good. Go. Good. Now we're going to add a third punch. So after that second slip, we've got the hook, cross, hook. 3 punches. So hook, cross, hook. Slip, slip, hook, cross, hook. Last 15 seconds on this defense first. Hands up. Concentrating. You might visualize the punches if you're on the heavy bag. Go. Good. One more. Deep breath. Get your head off the line. Go. Good. Last minute. We're cycling and flowing. 1 minute to go. Let's finish strong. 1, 2, roll. 3 punches. So we got 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2. Go. Good. Add in that jab, jab, 2. 1, 2, roll, 2, hook, 2. Jab, jab, 2. Go. Ba, 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 ba. Nice. Move forward. Breathe. Go. Good. After that jab, jab, 2 guys, slip back, 2 hook 2 off the slip. So slow, 1, 2, roll, 2 hook 2, jab, jab 2, slip 2. Ready, let's go. Good. Again. Nice. Deep breath. Couple more of these. Finish strong, guys. Let's snap them punches now. Finish the round strong. Last 10. Punch it out. Let's go. Non-stop. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Time. Rest. 10 minutes. Great work, guys. If you shadow box that, if you're on the heavy bag, if you're coaching it, however you wanted to pull that off, hope you had a great workout. I'm sweating. Good workout? Good job. All right. Let me know how you feel. Hopefully you enjoyed that. More of these coming. Stay tuned to the channel. We're going to be doing a lot more of these mitt work workouts that you can put into practice in your shadow boxing or on the heavy bag. Reminder, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments. Let me know how you feel after this workout in the comments below. I'd love to get your feedback. Then we can add it to the next one and make the next one even better than this. Thanks, guys. See you soon.